Okay, this is the room tour, Hotel Estherea. This is the elevator shaft. They added it on since it's an old building. Our room is right down this hallway. Room 403. When you come in, to your left, you have your private toilet. And then a jacuzzi tub, sink, and a shower. Bathrobes. And then your bed. This is the cheapest room I could find here. And when you open the door, the air conditioner shuts off, and this is your view. The more expensive rooms have a view of the canal. Notice the buildings, how they're leaning, tilting away. Beautiful chandeliers. These are beds put together because they said they couldn't get the bigger beds in the rooms. So they have to put two singles together to make twins or doubles or whatever. There's the, this is the room tour. Not big room. You have, looks like a coffee maker, extra pillows, safe. You have water. Some of the other hotels I stayed with didn't have water, toothbrushes, or toothpaste so far. You have slippers. I'm sure those will be gone by the time we leave. An ironing board. This is the room tour. I can't remember the price of the room. For 2 nights, it was $739, I think. And it varies, seasonal, of course. I've got it for cheaper the last time I stayed here. Beautiful house. They have tons of these little places you can eat on the corners. All over the place. It's awesome. Have a beer, have a coffee, have a, you know what. A little smoke. Signing off.